morning, boys and girls. We are going to Dino today, and I hope you're freaking excited because I am. So let's get to it. Let's go meet up with Diego. He has a completely stock FL5. He literally just bought it about a week ago. He already put 1,400 miles on it, but we're gonna go see what his makes first, and then we're gonna put mine on the dyno. We're gonna do 3 different tunes. Completely stock tune to see what the bolt-ons do without a tune. A Hondata Basemap, a 91, because that's all we get in Colorado. And then we're gonna switch it up to the TSP off-the-shelf map that they have been having me test here in Colorado. So we're gonna see what the power difference is, how the curves look, and how it sounds. PRL Intercooler, RV6 Down Pipe, and RV6 Front Pipe. So we're gonna see what it makes with those bolt-ons and the Hondata and the custom tuning, and that way you guys can get an idea and see what works best for you. Because you can tell the difference right there, right? If you look under here, yep, you still got it right there, dude. See that? That plastic?
Yeah.
Yeah, they come from the factory like that. You gotta take those off.
Really?
Yeah, they put those on so you don't scrape the car and the trailer. Yeah, all you gotta do is cut the zip ties. You see the difference? It's nuts, huh? I saw it right away. I'm like, oh damn, he hasn't taken those off. Perfect. Damn, bro, it's like you just detailed it, huh?
I did.
I like this color a lot.
I'm gonna do a 3-step polish. Let's get a your girlfriend.
Hey, nice to meet you. Joe.
Picked it up.
Oh, and this is Diego, everybody. And I'm Dora. No, I'm just kidding. Damn, dude, that red pops, dude. So Diego brought his cheerleader over here. Do you see why I need motor mounts? Yeah, that's about what I expected. 287, that's pretty... Okay. What do you think? Did you expect more, or is that pretty much
What I expected, yeah.
bone stock? You want to let it cool off for like 10 minutes? See what it does? Maybe pick up like 3 so we could be at 290 at least. Sorry, my car's so dirty, guys. We got Diego over here just showing off with this freshly detailed, by himself, by the way. So clean. Let me hear the exhaust over here on this one. Oh, you made a little more? Hey, you made a little more. So 288. That's pretty consistent. All right, so we're unstrapping it now. And now we got the torque numbers up there. Don't mind this. That's this right here. So don't mind that. So yeah, it looks like it's a 303. 312 max over here. It's pretty steady. All right, let me move mine out of the way so you can back out. All right, guys, so I got the Hondata opened up right now. We're gonna flash back to the stock settings here. That way we can get apples to apples. So we're gonna turn off the car. We're gonna leave everything alone the way it is. That works, okay. And then ignition on. Well, not the ignition, but accessory mode. And then we're gonna flash that to the ECU. And wait forever. Almost there. Yeah, but did you see my torque?
Yeah, I did.
8,000, bro. Bam. There, you get a little more on the top here. We can do another one real quick, and then we'll switch to a different tune.
Yeah, I think it does sound louder.
Oh, damn, it picked up, dude.
307.
Yeah, I picked it up right here. Wow. Alright, so you guys can see, we're doing new calibration now, and we're going to go to the 91. And we're going to leave it the way it comes. So we'll hit OK. Okay, ignition on, and now it's flashing. It got pretty hot.
Yeah.
Not bad for back-to-back pulls, huh? So you think 340? I said 330. But it is a little bit more cooled off now. Told you. 314. Well, look at the torque.
Yeah, I went up by 30.
That's kind of disappointing.
It is. I expected more.
So, stock tune, Hondata 91. Yeah, look at the difference in the torque. That's where you feel it. Gained a little bit. I got all red. See?
Nice. That wasn't that bad either.
So it wouldn't ride next to that. It didn't heat soak too much. But the torque,
did lose a lot.
yeah, the torque did drop.
That's a lot. It's like 10, 12.
All right, so we're at a max of 318 and 345. Whoa! God damn! All right, that's obviously not right. Whoa! Damn, that's a big jump. Oh yeah. Yeah, picked it up really good. So it's the blue line. Yeah, at the top over here, that's where it makes a big difference. Oh damn. Hey! I'm sorry. Picked up a little bit.
379.
Damn. Yep, 356, 379. Pretty freaking good, huh? Look right here, that's where it like picks up a little bit more than the other ones.
But it picks up.
It picks up faster, right?
Yeah. It's really good.
Damn. So that's no bolt-ons and then bolt-ons. So it picks up pretty good up here throughout the whole power band without a tune. Alright, so that's Hondata's 91 Basemap, the red. And then that's two-step performance Basemap in the blue. So pretty big pickup there. It's all on the top end too. Not bad, huh?
That's a lot. 17 more than me.
Alright, bro, line them up. Boys, thank you so much for watching this far into the video. As a token of my appreciation, I want you guys to go check out Two Step Performance. They were the ones that made this video possible. And if you guys want to get that same tune that I just got in Dino, you saw the impressive gains that we made. You can go ahead and purchase one. They're not available as the release of this video yet, but they will be soon. So go ahead and check it out. Use that coupon code on the screen. You can buy other things from their website as well. RV6, PRL, and other things. And you can also use that discount code on there. Great people, car enthusiasts. They also have an FL5 that they're working on, as you see on the screen. Go check it out, guys. Use the code. Boys, girls, thank you so much for watching this video. Thanks for making it this far. I know it kind of gets a little hard and you'll got other things to do, but I appreciate you guys staying this far. Don't forget to go check out Two Step Performance. The website will be linked in the description below. And thank you for supporting those who support me. I just do this for the love of cars, and hopefully you guys can see that through the videos. But go follow me on Instagram and then go follow Two Step Performance, who made this video possible. Alright guys, that'll be for now. Big things coming in the next video. Hint, it's not the stock turbo. So, you could put those together. Alright, have a good one. Hasta luego. Guys, and when you leave the dyno, don't worry, these lights will go off as soon as you start driving it around for a little bit. The car just needs to know that it's actually moving all four wheels, and then it'll go back to its normal. But don't worry about these lights. Nothing's wrong with it. It's just a computer trying to relearn its place. So, but that's it, guys.